Okay, so you want to use the simple video editor. I'm going to try to give you a very simple, quick start guide how to get started, download the program, get it set up, and start using this to cut and trim and splice your video clips without having to re-encode. So what we'll do, we'll go straight over to the website. Link is right here, github.com/fiveforums/simple video editor. Right here, there's our homepage. Go over here to where it says releases. Click there, and whatever is the latest release, that's probably going to be the best one for you. There's a simple video editor exe. Of course, if you have AutoIt or you're familiar with AutoIt, I highly recommend that you download the source code, take a look at that. Sorry, it's not well documented. Future project, put a few more comments in there. But if you're familiar with GUIs and AutoIt, it's pretty straightforward. It's not a lot of rocket science. But anyway, just simply download this video editor, and it will appear right here. And there it is. So there's the video editor. It's there in downloads. We can leave it there for now. We can run it from there. So, okay, Windows protected your PC. Again, this is often the case when you have an uncommon program. I can assure you that this is not a virus, although there are people that have used AutoIt to create malicious software. So you click More, click Run Anyway, and it will allow you to go ahead and run. Now notice what it says here. First time you run this program, it says, in order to use the program, you must install FFmpeg. Go to the Settings tab to download and point the program to the correct location for FFmpeg exe. Okay? So you're going to get that if you have if you already have FFmpeg installed, you can just simply say find location. But we're going to go over here and click download, and it's going to open up in the browser. There is the releases for FFmpeg, and we can just go over here, and looks like this is probably going to be the one we want right here. The FFmpeg, and then the version number Win64 GPL.zip. We're going to download that, save that file. Again, we'll go back over here to downloads, and I'm going to simply extract all, and we can point it to a folder. Again, I can dump it into the downloads folder for now. We'll extract the FFmpeg program, and there it is. Downloads, folder, and under bin, there's that ffmpeg.exe. So I know I'm running very quickly. You can pause the video and back up and look at it again. So now I'm going to go back to the simple video editor, click find location. Again, now I'm going to go to downloads. I'm already in downloads. Go to FFmpeg, bin, there's my ffmpeg.exe, and save setting. Now I can start using the program. In fact, if I were to close the program, open it back up again, go to downloads, simple video editor, and now it does not prompt me, so it did find that file. So now I can start using the program, and you can jump to the next video, which I will link right up here, and watch the video on how to use the simple video editor.